And so Sibtain, actually, I want to kick it off to you here, because from your platform, you are a tech company, but there's also a lot of B2B sales involved in your business. So do you feel like that the same challenges that Jarrar highlighted also apply to you, or do you have other bottlenecks in the B2B sales in Pakistan?
I think in our case, it's the challenge. One of the challenge we face is more about awareness, because insurance and employee benefits is something that certain companies are, if a founder is coming from who has already worked in the industry and starting his own business, he has a certain, I would say, notion that he should offer these kind of benefits. So he would be very understanding and would actually be the one demanding that these are the requirements that they have, and they would have a certain budget in place. But in certain SMEs, you would find these challenges where they may not have a budget. They're just exploring. They're just trying to understand what kind of coverage they can get, what kind of benefits they can offer. They're also not sure whether this will really impact their employee productivity, whether this will impact their employee retention. So we have to do a lot of awareness-based sales, or I would say consultancy and advisory to our customers. So that is one thing that we've learned, that we have to have a playbook in place which really allows and enables our sales team to educate the customer. And obviously, once they sign up on that, the second challenge is retention of that customer as well. It's not just signing them up the first time. It's also the retention of that customer. So our tech really makes this journey pretty simple for the businesses to understand the value that they can get. And if you go to the enterprise customers, their challenge is very different. They're looking at more about cost saving, more about what they can get more in terms of the same amount of money that they're spending. So yeah, it's a variation of characteristic that we've seen. Mostly our customers are in KLI, though we do see customers from other tier 2 cities as well, but there are not a lot of there are more MSMEs there, I would say, in other tier 2, tier 3 cities. So that's not primarily our target market. But yeah, that's what we've learned.